I came to the small Swedish town, Lund. It's about 12 miles from Malmo. It has a university and an observatory. But I'm here for a vinyl shop that you can only find if you look down. This is it. A vinyl shop for mice. And just to put it in scale for you, let me put a bunch of things here for comparison. My phone, headphones, and a kid. Okay, better get this guy away from the shop so he doesn't get addicted to vinyl. This tiny shop is called Ricotta Records to commemorate ricotta cheese. And despite its size, this thing is super detailed. Chairs, parking for bicycles, miniature payment option stickers, and a banner that must have taken ages to complete given how detailed it is. Keep in mind that the shop is not part of some museum. It's just here, on the sidewalk. The best thing about it, though, are the vinyls that will make you die from admiration. All the covers are mice-themed, with a mouse version of David Bowie. Or how about Destiny's Cheese? Abbey Road, Pink Floyd, and Nirvana are all mice-themed too. And if they're not your thing, then there's Taylor Swift, Stilton John, and Amy Winehouse. These amazing installations are done by the Swedish art group called AnonyMouse MMX. They do these installations all over the country, and I spent the whole day yesterday trying to find more of these. But it turns out they take these installations down after a month or two. Still though, I'm ecstatic that I got to see one. I'm speechless, guys. This is just amazing. Considering how quickly this installation broke my "aww" meter, trust me, it will break yours too, regardless of your age. There was also a pharmacy nearby, and in typical AnonyMouse fashion, it's also miniature. Alright, so I've just checked out their Instagram page, and it turns out they've just made one more installation. Here it is. It's a hostel for mice, and yes, I found it super quickly given the crowd it was gathering. I don't like to compare things, but I think Sweden has just acquired its own Banksy. Or maybe a whole team of them, since no one really knows how many people are behind AnonyMouse.